Saving money starts here by doing it yourself. Buy your groceries once a week, meal prep it yourself, and you'll save more than you think. And it's a lot better than the drive-thrus. Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pack your husband's breakfast so he can eat without having to stop and spend so much money. You go through the drive-thru for 2 people, you spent $20. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a breakfast that you can take with you and heat up, and you don't have to go through the drive-thru. Let me show you what we're doing. Okay, to put his in, this is what we use. It's these little containers you can get at Walmart, made by Rubbermaid, or you can use any kind of container that can be put in the microwave. I just like these because they have the 2 dividers. And what I do is I'll put his meat and his eggs on one side, and the hash browns we're going to be cooking on the other side. Now these are good to do lunches in also. So if you're wanting to try to save money, you know, fixing your husband a lunch to take with him, or even yourself when you go to work, this will save you a lot of money. Okay, now while that's heating up, I'm going to show you the hash browns that we get. They're in patties, so they make them easy to fry. It's not like trying to fry the shredded hash browns. These are like in little squares, just like you buy at some like McDonald's or Hardee's and stuff like that. I think has these. But at Walmart, you can get these. They come in a pack of 10, I believe, and they're $3.24. So I give him 2 for each time he eats breakfast, so that'll last me a couple days. So I'm going to go ahead now, and we're going to start frying up these patties. Okay, I've got my oil pretty good and heated up. I'm going to go ahead and add these hash browns. And that one right there is actually missing a piece. We had 2 of them like that in this box. Okay, we're just going to put some salt, a little black pepper, and we're going to let those come to a pretty golden brown. Saving money starts in your own kitchen. You've got to do a little meal prep so you don't have to spend so much money. Yes, you do buy it at the store, but it's cheaper buying it yourself and doing the cooking and taking it with you than it is to go through the drive-thru. And these potato patties, we like to get them golden brown so they're good and crispy. Okay. And now we're going to put 2 patties in each of our little trays. Hash brown patties just fit in that side of that divider perfect. And now we're going to make up some scrambled eggs. We're adding just a little salt and pepper. Now, if your iron skillet is seasoned just right, this is how you can do your scrambled eggs. And they don't even stick to your pan. Now we're just going to take the eggs and put a little in the big section of the tray on each side. Now that right there be a sunshine. Those are tenderloins, pork tenderloins is what we call them. And sometimes we do sausage patties, and sometimes I've done like those little weenies you can get, those little smokies. You like those in a container also sometime for breakfast. Now these we're going to lay on this napkin and let them drain just for a minute or two. Okay, and now just take your tenderloins that you cooked and lay them on the side next to your eggs. That way you can put your whole breakfast all in one container. So right here is where it starts to be able to save money. Prep yourself what you need and take it with you. Don't go to those drive-thrus. All right, y'all, what do y'all think a plate like this would cost if you stopped somewhere to buy it? But if you do it yourself at home, you can save a lot of money. I hadn't figured it up, but I'm thinking this right here with the eggs, the hash browns, and the tenderloin, we would probably have around $5 in this breakfast. Compared to stopping at a drive-thru, you would probably have to pay $8 or $9 for something like this. What do y'all think this would cost in a drive-thru? Leave it in the comments down below. And do y'all think this is a good way to help save money? It helps us save money. Maybe you ought to give it a try. These little containers you can get and do a lot. Your breakfast and your lunches. Okay, y'all. Saving money starts by cooking for yourself. Don't go to the drive-thru. You can do this, buy these little trays, and take them with you. And like always, thanks for watching.